Heat Hero Direct is a safe, open-vented gravity heating system that is fully pumped and has a built-in cooling loop in the event of electricity failure. With Heat Hero Direct, the water is circulated directly from the solid fuel boiler throughout the heating system without using a heat exchanger. With Heat Hero Direct, a solid fuel boiler can now be connected to a single coil, open vented or pressurized cylinder. Solar, underfloor heating and oil boilers safely, efficiently and easily. Solid fuel boilers can also be connected to high pressure gas boilers by installing a heat exchanger on the gas boiler. This will allow the solid fuel boiler to work fully efficiently.